and we're changing the bracket here that's snapped. Okay, and we're using a 10mm socket to see if this comes off without taking the end off first. So we do have to take the end off. We've got to undo this with a Phillips head screwdriver.
That slides out, does it?
It looks like it does, yeah. Okay, so that won't come out without taking this off. Okay. So we're just undoing this. It was only on quite loose. That'll just slide off now. Yep, great. Okay, so this sucker
Slides out.
slides out, does it?
Hang on, let me put this in here so I can
Okay. Don't you have to get it off the bolt? Oh, there you did. You did it. Good job. Okay, so that's snapped. So then we've got the new plastic one. It was bloody expensive, to be honest. Pissed off about that, but anyway. Okay, we'll be putting that on. Okay, so the new one only comes in a plastic. So that's it there. The old one was, I think it was cast iron or something. Stainless steel. Keep in mind there's a right and a left hand side, so yeah, when you buy these, that goes into the flat piece of metal and you push that through. I can't see, your hands are in the way. And we're sliding that back into the channel. Yep. It's not very good filming. Hang on. Right, it's easier to put the screw, this bit here in first and then slide it in and then put this bit in. Okay? Whoops, did I get that? And then we need it opening out this way. I don't know if they call that left or right, but anyway. So next went on the washer and then the nut, which you'll see in a sec. There it is there. Alright. Now we've just slid that across so that we can put the end bit back on. Okay, it doesn't go inside the channel, it goes in front of it. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we screw in that little screw. Once that's screwed in, then we will tighten up the bracket.
Where's this bracket go? Does it go into a...
It comes right. It came right up and butted up to there. Yeah.
Comes back right back to there, does it?
Yes, it did. Okay, before we do all this, we've got to actually put the arm into the plastic bracket. So we've got to undo it all again now, and then put it in first. You need to put it in from the bottom and slide the little part that wiggles, slide it into the bottom, and then it will fit into that little bracket, okay, as such. Alright, now we're just putting the end part on. It's not too tight, and then we'll slide this back to where it needs to go. So the other end is butted right up to the other side, so we're doing the same with this one. We're butting it up. Before we make it super tight, we'll check that the arm can come in and out okay from it. Yeah, we'll just do it at pretty medium strength. That's done?
Just done.
Yeah, beautiful. All done. Thanks, Pete.
Well, don't need the other back.
The other one is a spare for if the other one breaks.
Alright, so
okay, hope that helps everybody who's got a F80 Fiamma. And that's the bracket change over. Thanks, Pete. Yeah, pretty easy peasy, really. So you need a 10mm socket to remove that screw, and you need a little Phillips head screwdriver to remove that. Okay, and pretty much you're done. Okay, see ya.